situation. Manscaping. This is Blackbeard. He's a rescued rooster. Take a look at these. I know. So we trimmed these not too long ago. Maybe 6 months has it been?
Yeah.
You can see we blunted the ends, but because Kenny is about 8, we think, he's a mature boy and his spurs grow quickly and they'll grow back towards his leg. We also need to trim that janky looking toe. He's probably part silky, so he's got a couple extra toes on. Got some crazy little digits. He is one of the sweetest roosters I've ever met. He's a little bantam mix. And he's just so sweet. He's great at warning the hens when there's a predator. And he's lovely to children and dogs and grown-up adult humans. We found that the Dremel with a cutting blade is the best tool for this job. We've tried dog nail trimmers, we've tried bolt cutters, we've tried a metal file. This is really the fastest, most effective, and least stressful method for him with the size of his spurs. So there you go. It's all just keratin. It's like a fingernail. We'll file that down so it's not as sharp. A rooster's spurs, much like hair or human fingernails, is made up primarily of keratin. And if that's the shank of the leg, here's the spur, and then there's certainly blood supply, and as a rooster matures, that spur actually becomes part of the bone of the rooster's shank. So we don't want to cut, certainly don't want to cut too close to the leg because we will clip the quick and that will bleed. With a tool like the Dremel, it would cauterize, but we still don't want to hurt him. Again, he is not in any pain or discomfort right now. He's just a little freaked out. Most of the time with a rooster that's a little more aggressive than Kenny, we would recommend wrapping him in a towel and just pulling one leg out at a time. But he's super gentle, and we need to get this done so he doesn't hurt himself, he doesn't catch his spur in any fencing or chicken wire that's in his enclosure. We want to make sure he's safe and happy. Doing okay? Yeah, okay. Okay. Almost done. What's he doing? Yes, he is. Oh my goodness, that was scary, but you did great, buddy. Look at these good-looking spurs. Let's get you back in here. Get you back inside. Back with the ladies. Back with the ladies. Good bud. Yes. You're doing great.